Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of the physical phone that we just showed you in part 1. This person gave us hell. This person gave us hell. I told them give us, I told them to give us like 4 or 5 hours. We managed to get it done within about 2. Within 2 hours, which this person gave us hell, in which it's the same Imei as we showed you in part 1. Actually, this is the first time we actually have received a physical iPhone to perform, in which we're gonna go ahead and go to the settings, and then you're gonna go to the general about. No software update. Stay away from new updates. So I'm just playing. But anyway, yeah, you can update as much as you want. That was just a joke. Do not take that serious. But as you can see here, as we can show you, the Imei is still the same. As we showed you in part 1. We do not play. When it comes to this service, this is a specialty service. We do not play. So this device, that young woman right there, she's very, very happy and very excited. In which, you can also pause the video to see that it was the exact same Imei. In which, let's go ahead, click that right there, zoom in, and we even have it once again highlighted again. That's in which we'll just pick up the phone and show you that the Imei has not changed. That's the Imei on T-Mobile, and that's the Imei on the phone too as well. Both the same. You can pause the video and check that out. And we're gonna go ahead and click submit. Like you've seen, as it said that the device was blocked. We're gonna hit submit this time. T-Mobile iPhone 5S. Congratulations.